Hey everyone, I'm Chris. I am here today to make a fairy garden with you guys. This is a great project to do with your little ones. It's a lot of fun, gets them out there in the garden, they can play in the dirt, and then they're going to have something for them to play with and imagine with. So I have everything here in front of me that we'll need. We are obviously doing this in our studio. You would probably want to do it outside. So with the fairy garden, one of the things that helps is if you pick a side that will be the back of your container, because they are usually viewed from one direction. So in this case, I'm going to build it facing you, so this is going to be the back. So in the back, you want to put your tallest plants, so the things that maybe the fairy's house would hide under. So here I have just some red fountain grass. It's called firecracker if you're interested. This one is actually pretty hardy. I use this all the time. It says it is a full sun plant, but we have to fight with the container here a little bit. It has grown into its container here. So let's give it a good pull. There we go. All right. So like I said, we are going to make a mess. All right. So just dig a hole. The kids can help with this. And you don't even need any tools. We're going to put this right in the back and just shove it down in there. And just make sure it doesn't have an air pocket. And then the trick to a fairy garden is you're going to place things, see how you like them. You may even take them out afterwards. You get something else planted and go, yeah, that's not so good. So you may see me put some stuff in here and not enjoy it, so I might take it out. But here is some Gerber daisy because fairies love flowers, right? I think this one will be here. We'll just decide. We can move it later. And there. And then I think I might decide where I want my little fairy house. So I think I'm going to use this little guy. It's a little mushroom, little toadstool. So I'm going to stick that in there and just kind of wedge it in. And you can dust everything, clean everything off later. It'll all clean up when you wash it. So there, so he's in there. I have some other little terracotta pots that would be cute. You could put plants in here so it makes the world look a little big to the fairy. So I'm going to put that over here and just kind of, I think I might actually raise it up a little bit, and then I'll plant a plant in here. So there you go. So that looks cute. Do that. And then I have these, which I thought were really great. These are sweet potato vines, and these are going to be great for as your pot starts to grow. They're going to drape over the side, and so it'll give it a nice effect. So you can stick those in right to the level of the pot. There you go. And as he grows, it'll go down over the side. All right, so now comes the fun part. Let's make our little fairy world here. Let's make this nice and even. Let's see. What would she like? Let's see. How about we use some of these little wood guys here to make a little path up to her front door. All right, let's see. Maybe tuck a couple little pieces of driftwood here and there. And these will just disappear. Oh, this one looks kind of like a little stump, something like maybe I have a little gnome. Here's my little gnome. Maybe that's where the gnome lives. A little bench we'll put next to her big pot. Go. And I found this little wooden spool, and it's, I don't know, a little painted wooden spool. Fairies like to collect things, so maybe she'll have that near her door. Let's see. I like some of this white wood. Oh, we'll stick that over there. And how about we build a little bit of a pond for our fairy here? And we'll just build her pond right over here to the side. There we go. Of course, we need a fairy, right? So how about we tuck her right here, and she's looking at her pond, and no fairyland is complete without toadstools. All right, so there you go. That was very easy, and that is our little fairy garden. So I hope you had a lot of fun. You got some tips. You can let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button so you don't miss us. And everything you need will be in the description bar down below. We'll see you next time.